Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, Pizza Brian, coming to you guys with another video. Today, I got the fart prank for you guys. So basically, I went around during lunch and nutrition, basically farting, like, not really obviously, because I can't fart that much, you know what I'm saying? Well, I had my phone, fart pranks, and yeah, some people were not too happy. My bad. Some people were not too happy about it, but hey man, it's just a prank, chill, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, check out these reactions. Hold it.
So I'm gonna play the fart noise with the speaker right now and get people's reactions.
This is not funny. If you I'm sorry, what the fuck just happened?
Farting, bro? No way. Are you farting? No way. You just fart? No way. No way, you just farted. You just fart? No way. No way. No way. I'm just kidding, it's a prank. Can we use that for YouTube? Okay. You just fart? You just fart? No way. Oh! My bad, my bad. I gotta use the bathroom. I gotta use the bathroom. My bad, my bad. You guys just farted? No way. No way. No way. My bad. You guys just farted. No way. Alright, let's go to a different spot. No way.
Brian, stop scaring fucking people.
My bad, my bad. Oh, my bad. My bad. My bad. Shit, my bad. Oh. Oh. No way, you just farted, man. Shit. No way, you just farted. No way. Okay. You just farted? No way.
After that, another day, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I got a haircut too, looking pretty good, you know what I'm saying? But hey, that don't matter. I asked some people if I could give them a kiss, but like not really a kiss, like not really a kiss, like a kiss, like a Hershey's kiss. Like I had like some chocolate that I had, and yeah, basically had them some kisses. But no, they like didn't even want the chocolate, just like roll it. They were like, they were mad, yeah, like they were mad. Just yeah, I kind of get it though. Like if someone randomly just asks you, "Can I give you a kiss?" Like I'd be like, "What? No, yeah, that didn't work out." But hey, I got some clips. Just roll it.
Let's. You missed my high five. Can I give you a kiss? Like a Hershey's kiss. Wow. Hi. Can I give you a kiss? No? A Hershey's kiss. Here. Oh! Oh, I dropped it. My bad. Here. Yeah. Alright. Can I give you a kiss? Like a Hershey's kiss. A chocolate kiss. Wow. Can I give you a kiss? Please, let me give you a kiss.
Why? You have a girlfriend? Where's your YouTube channel, people? That's just funny.
It's right there.
You actually watch your channel?
Yeah. You do?
I'm
Yeah.
not on there, why?
You'll be in it. You'll be in it. Man, can I give you a kiss? A Hershey's kiss. You don't want it? Oh, okay. Bro, there's no good reactions, bro. Not stop this. I'm done.
And yeah, after that I continued just doing the fart pranks, and yeah, basically that's it. Just roll.
Guidelines and stuff.
No way. You guys. My bad. Can we use that? Can we use that reaction for YouTube? Yeah?
What?
See that camera right there? Yeah, for YouTube.
Wow, it's a prank.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a prank.
Damn it. You just farted, man? Yeah. Yeah? Me too. My bad. My bad.
I know what a real fart sounds like.
I'm good, I'm good. Can we use that for YouTube?
I mean, bro, I doubt you're recording anything.
I am, okay. Oh! I ate a lot of free holders last night, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You look like Mr. Rodriguez.
Lift it up, lift up the shirt. Lift up the shirt.
Yo, who's farted, bro?
Oh my god.
I think it's just a lighting.
My hair's just shiny.
No, it's like a totally different color.
And my hairline is most certainly not receiving.
Yeah.
Yo, do you guys think I'm weird?
No shit.
Okay, we were just doing that for a YouTube video.
But I don't know Monday.
Oh my gosh.
It's clearly a fucking app.
Where's Miss
Recording for YouTube channel?
Huh?
Why is that so loud?
This is my farts, yeah.
And guys, I know you guys missed me. Did you guys miss me? I mean, I did miss you guys. So, I got this for you guys. I'm gonna start making more happier videos, non-prank, cause like pranks is the past, like, you know what I'm saying? Now, time for some good videos, being more helpful at school. I don't know how I would do that, but hey, we'll see. Stay tuned, turn on your post notifications, make sure to subscribe if not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and like, let me just give you guys a kiss, okay? Ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. There. Peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always rep.